Let me tell you something you probably didn't know. This is a sewing machine needle, and did you know it has 6 parts to it? Well, let me show you. This part of the needle is called the shank, and it's the part that sinks into your sewing machine. And it has a flat side that usually goes towards the back. The part that tapers down from the shank is called the shaft. Then you have the groove, which runs from in front of the needle to the eye. This part of the needle is called the eye of the needle, and this is where the thread goes into, from the front to the back. The eye of the needle is the one we're most familiar with, and different types of needles will have different types of eyes. In back of the needle is called a scarf. Behind the eye, it has a smooth indentation, and you can easily find it with your finger. The scarf is where the hook passes to pick up the top thread from the needle. Then it passes it around the bobbin to create a lock stitch. This last part of the needle is called the point. The point is the first part of the needle that penetrates the fabric. Now you know the 6 parts to the sewing machine needle. I'm Crafty Valerie. Thanks for watching, and follow for more sewing tips.